In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Expert Advisor in MT5. An Expert Advisor, or EA, is a trading robot that can automatically open and manage trades for you in MetaTrader 5. In this walkthrough, I'll take you from downloading the file to getting it running on a chart with clear tips so everything works smoothly. Quick note before we start. EAs run on the MT5 desktop platform for Windows or Mac. They won't execute on the mobile app. Begin by downloading the EA file from a trusted website or marketplace. You'll usually receive either a .x5 file, which is a compiled EA ready to use, or a .mq5 file, which is the source code. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your downloads or desktop. Now open MetaTrader 5. At the top, click File. Then select Open Data Folder. This opens the platform's internal directory where MT5 expects its components. We'll place the EA inside the correct subfolder so MT5 can find it. In the folder window, open MQL5, then open Experts. Paste your EA file here. This Experts folder is exactly where MT5 looks for trading robots, so placing it here ensures the platform can load it properly. Next, refresh the platform so it recognizes the new file. The simplest way is to restart MetaTrader 5. Alternatively, press Ctrl+N to open the Navigator panel, find Expert Advisors, right-click it, and choose Refresh. Your EA should now appear in the list. If it doesn't, double-check that you pasted the file into MQL5 Experts and try restarting MT5 again. To attach the EA to a chart, open a symbol chart like EURUSD or XAUUSD. In the Navigator under Expert Advisors, locate your EA and either drag it onto the chart or double-click it. A settings window will pop up, allowing you to review inputs and permissions. Before the EA can trade, enable algorithmic trading. In the EA settings window, check Allow Algo Trading. Then click OK. On the main toolbar, click Algo Trading or Auto Trading. So the button turns green. This enables trading at the platform level. Look at the top right corner of your chart for the EA's icon. It indicates the EA is active. If it's not active, revisit the permissions and make sure the toolbar button is green. Remember, EAs only operate on the desktop version of MT5. While you can view charts on mobile, the EA itself won't run there. That's it. Your EA is installed and ready to work on your chosen chart.